What's up, YouTube? Hang back at it with another motherfucking banger.
Yo.
Welcome back. Sorry for the wait. We are cozy in this edition, and it was heavily requested to do another transformation video.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
This time we're turning me into JIGSAW.
Yes, it's going to be great. We have this cheap ass paint palette.
Y'all remember this from the last video? It's still going strong.
We got 2 sponges. I'm just showing you the stuff we got to work with.
We got makeup sponges this time.
And 2 painting brushes.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
We're gonna see what we can do with this stuff. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so first I gotta coat his whole face in white. Boom. So I'm gonna use the little sponge.
It's not white face, y'all.
I'm gonna use a little sponge.
Just saying. I'm gonna just hold the cup.
No. That sounds like an accident.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Okay, you go on the cup.
No trust.
No, you go on the cup. Yeah. I trust you. I trust him. Is it cold?
I forgot how cold it is.
It's really cold.
Damn
it is. I feel it.
Once I get that thick layer on there, I'll be fine.
What it means. Like, you need... Listen, you're going to be beautiful after.
Beautiful?
You're going to be a horror story after.
A beautiful horror story.
Yes.
And plus, we just getting in tune this spooky season.
Real talk. I don't know how I'm gonna coat this beard. Y'all, alright, so y'all need to walk me through it, because how do you coat a whole beard? Like, I need it to disappear in these transformation videos, so let me know what I could use to make that thing disappear.
Yeah, comment below what type of face paint we show with her.
Word, but right now,
to make them crazy.
we giving him that Casper,
crazy joints.
Jigsaw, you know.
Getting Casper vibes already.
Ooh. Oh my god, baby, this beard is thick.
It's working?
It's thick. It's, I don't know. I don't know. We need another layer. And then I'll let you know what it's hitting for, because all I see. Alright, so I'm following the tutorial, so that's why my eyes are all over the place.
Just paint me all white.
Yeah, I'm painting you all white, yo. You know
that's like the easiest step.
You gotta turn your face to me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, is this aggressive? Yo, your beard is not going anywhere.
Punching my eyeballs
Alright,
out.
so now this is what I got the
usual.
paintbrush for. Just in case this is...
Yeah, good.
I'm gonna try everything to coat it.
Get that thick shit on my beard.
Oh boy. Alright. We're gonna work with that. Yes.
Don't make no compilation out of me.
Oh my god. You're gonna be looking amazing.
I'm just getting real ashy vibes going on.
Maybe I need to dab. That's it. I just need to dab it. This is it.
Yeah. Bob Ross this face.
Yes, I am Bob Ross. Wow, this is coating it real good.
Yeah, I see the swooping motion you use. The
Technique.
Motion.
Technique. I don't know how far up. Come here. I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna do it.
Is my shit disappearing? Oh, okay. Okay. Don't get scared. Don't get scared when y'all see me. Are you good? No way.
You know, I love this second camera we got because I can see everything, every angle.
We gonna watch this all.
I'm not missing no.
We watching the Saw movie after this one.
We are.
I want to see that new one, that spiral, that JIGSAW spiral.
Oh my god, we gotta watch that.
When that joint drop next year. Post apocalypse.
Boy. Okay. Okay.
I feel like I'm like
Let's see where we go from here.
one of them African tribes.
Okay, so now we gotta give him those angry eyebrows. So
Like Ace Ventura.
those stressed eyebrows.
When nature calls.
Yo, your eyebrows is not disappearing, so I think we gotta work with what's on his
just work
face.
with it.
Listen, like I said, we got a cheap ass paint palette, so
Yeah, we gonna make it work.
Perfect.
We gonna make it work.
Eventually.
This artist is working as fast as
She started with the G,
she's already. All right, fine.
Nah, finish the eyebrows.
This is how I'm gonna do it.
He's not angry. He's like serious. He's like extremely focused and serious.
Don't make me laugh after I've been studying and doing this. I'm molding creases. Hold up.
You're molding my face.
I'm molding your face, but I gotta make creases and
Yeah, you gotta make
big cheeks and I gotta make it come out. All right. Yes. I'm gonna move a little fast because she moving fast in this tutorial.
Yeah, she moving through this quick, like
So I'm just going
she dressed herself up like
put all the
she paint
details.
herself up like Jigsaw. every
Yo,
day.
word. I gotta make around his eyes black. That's what I'm missing. Okay. I know what I could. Yo, I didn't think about this. Hold up.
She did the red first. She did the red first before she did the black in the eyes.
Oh my god.
See? Yeah, focus on getting my cheeks popping out.
He saw himself in the camera.
That's crazy.
That's what that was.
This is gonna be crazy. This gonna be
You
crazy.
trying to give me advice how to do
Yo,
it?
smash the like button. Yo, if you ain't subscribed to the Passion Gang, like Passion Gang about to take over everything on YouTube. So
have faith in me.
y'all
Wait.
might as well join while we, you know what I mean?
Okay, I see her lightly blending right here, right?
I should talk like this for the rest of the video.
Y'all wanna play a game or what?
Play, smash that subscribe button
Word. Subscribe.
right now.
If you are watching me,
Press pause
if you're watching this
and smash that
botched
subscribe button. And let us know what you want us to do next.
word, because we do it all.
Clearly.
Honestly. Okay, now it's time for.
Yo, this is about to be funny.
Stop. Was that? I don't know how to take that as an insult. Yo, they make it look so easy, y'all. They make it look so easy.
She gonna do the flag first. Yo, she not following. She not. We watched this damn tutorial like. We watched this tutorial like 50
I'm
times.
creative. I'm gonna do it my own way.
And she still ain't doing it the way.
No, nobody get on me about my nails neither because I know y'all gonna
Yo, they about to cut your ass. They about to cut your ass on there.
Alright, let me get to
Take it
it.
easy.
Yo, and let me get the red. Let me put the pupils in.
Put my pupils in so like they look like eyes first.
Alright, bro, I got you.
See, she did the, you know what I mean? And you ain't need to do my jaw. Like.
Really?
She ain't even like line me up. I mean, yeah.
Yo, the white is not taken to his beard, so this is dope. But
You might have to put like a thick. You gotta use a lot of it.
this cheap ass paint.
Yeah. You gotta get like a glove. Like,
Slap it on. Yo,
Yes,
you onto something? I'm gonna try it.
I'm not even like moving.
I'm doing it my way.
Yeah.
And he cut.
I believe in you.
He cut in my ass. Cause
I'm at your top because
no.
we watched this video. Like,
Do you think for a second that I wasn't paying attention? I paid attention to this whole video. I'm doing it.
let's get it.
I'm an
let's get
artist.
it.
Stop
Let's get
playing.
it. You poppin'.
I'm gonna do it my way.
You poppin'.
Yeah. So let's go to the other eye. We're gonna just put the red one on the other eye real quick. You look like a clown.
Boy, she got me out here looking like.
Alright, let me get the other eye.
You're like, I'm like the smoked out,
Stop.
the smoked out Jigsaw.
This red is coming out a little orange, I'm not gonna lie.
And she's using a lot of it.
I did.
She's using a lot of it instead of a little bit for the pupil.
You still going in on me? Damn.
I'm saying the pupil supposed to be in a little round circle.
Yo, she didn't do no little.
The pupil fit on her eyelid. Why are you under my eye?
I have to make the whole. I have to give the illusion. Yo.
Nah, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yo.
I already know I'm gonna be looking
Yo, people
scared.
make it seem like it's that easy.
I'm gonna be looking scary, boy.
You really looking scary, bro.
Comment below.
Alright, let me
Yo,
get this
comment
foot right
below if
here.
I'm looking spooky already. I don't know, I just feel nervous every time you're around my eyeball.
Not the forehead.
With the pointy ass.
Do she? No, she don't. I'm not even gonna question. Alright, I think I got enough red around the eyelids, so boom.
Oh man. Fucking.
You look like a sad clown. He frowned. He's snorting. I can't even deal. I'm
You
loving
are
this.
freaking.
Yeah, baby.
Yo, that's crazy.
I didn't say I was no.
Would you be scared? Would you be scared if I pulled up on you like this? Comment below.
Yeah, close your eyes.
She said, this is the illusion. The illusion is I'm fucking Jigsaw.
I don't want to make Jigsaw cockeyed, so
Yeah, don't make me. I'ma really be a crackhead Jigsaw.
he gotta stay still for this part.
Oh, she played me with this one.
Yo. Why does this look nothing like any of the tutorials?
Is this what y'all want?
You look like. Wait, I have to give you the red swirls.
Oh, on the cheeks. Yo, come on, you got that. They going mad hard. They put,
No,
what she put on her face?
They be looking like
Fucking
they got
toilet
cosmetic surgery after these tutorials. What are you saying? Niggas are like, yo, I want to see him do this on me.
I bet.
I want to see him do this on me.
Next video, I'm transforming her.
He think this is easy peasy.
What y'all want me to transform her into, y'all? Yo,
Where-
Passion
let
Gang,
him
I want
know.
y'all to go hard. Tell me what y'all want me to transform her into.
You know what I'm missing? The red
And I would do my
lips.
best to transform her into it.
Alright, so we're gonna give him the red lips and the swirls. Stop! Back up from the camera!
I don't even look
crazy.
fucking scary. I'm looking
That
different.
light hitting you crazy, bro!
I'm looking at
I messed up.
No, you gave me 2 eyebrows.
I know I messed up.
The black one on the other eye.
Yeah. He said,
That's crazy how you got me.
come here. I'm not gonna make you look that crazy. Yo, I could do better. Hold on.
Facts.
Hold on.
Alright, let's get it. We
Facts. He
almost
said facts. You're supposed to have my side. You're supposed to love this.
So you can do better. I said facts. I thought you meant better than no.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, where's my butt chin? You got a butt chin.
I'm giving you a butt chin right now. I'm moving as fast as the tutorial. I think that's it.
Boy!
One eternity later.
I saw you walking in the street.
You wanna play a game?
Oh my god.
I look dusty as hell. I look like... Yo, I look crazy. I look like some tired ass crackhead on Lorraine Street in my hood. I mean, I look a little scary.
Nope.
I look a little scary.
Oh my god. No way.
You wanna play a game?
No, I don't. Not with you.
Yo, I look like some creepy ass.
Yo, I think all the detail is very clear on that camera.
It's real clear detail. We gonna come hard.